What's up, YouTube? If you guys are looking to how to hack Subway Surfers, do you guys want to go to Google? I'm hacking Pixelbud right now. Then you want to search Subway Surfers hack APK. Then you want to click the one that says this one, the 2013 one. Just give it a second to load up. Then you don't have to look through this. Just go down, pick anyone you want. This is the one I got. Hold on. I got not the London one, I got the Paris one. Paris, where is Paris? Right here. Then you want to click download the link. And then it will take you to this screen. And then you want to click the one that says download. The green button that says download. Then I already have it installed, so I'm gonna go back. It's right here. Oh no, that's the New York one. Well, I hacked the New York one. The Paris one brings a lot of characters, so you guys should get that one. And like everything is unlocked. Where did I click that? Okay, so click that. See? Everything is hacked. I can get all these characters. And you can buy all the boards, but I'm not gonna do that right now. My favorite. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe. And if you're new to the channel, leave a comment down below and subscribe. I'm new at this, okay? Don't judge.